Hey everybody, this is pretty exciting. I got 3 Pokemon Center Elite Trainer boxes, Chilling Reign, and they didn't send the packs of cards they were supposed to. So they apologized, and they sent out these, plus refunding us, I think it was like $10 per box. Killer deal. But anyways, these are the 3 I got. So we're gonna open this up, take a gander, and see how exactly, because I think you can't get these any other way other than being sent these because of the error they had. But let's take a gander, see what this even says. Pokemon.com, printed unit, coin made in the USA. Very bland in information, kind of slapped together. A little bit damaged there. This pack right here is kind of pushed down. Looks sloppy, but that doesn't mean there's not some good cards in here. So we're going to open this up. I think I'm going to keep one sealed because I don't know how rare these are. It's kind of cool to have a sealed one, right? Oh, man. That did nothing. Okay. There we go. There's some tape. It's just like a thick layer. You see that? Oh, my God. This looks so crazy. Alright. So, hopefully I don't damage anything. Dude, how hard is it? Jesus Louise. What is going on here? I hope you enjoy that ASMR sound, guys. Alright, so pull these 2 packs out. I don't want to damage these. That's the reason. These aren't promo cards. These are like cards that you would actually get. Like, hopefully get. And they put them in here in such... Oh my God. I don't want to damage these. Dude, why Nintendo? Why Pokemon Company? Okay, you got one. It's not a promo card. It's an actual, like, card. They're not textured, which kind of sucks, but I get it. It'd kill the value of them if everyone that ordered them got it. This is the Articuno. That's a nice looking card. That's a very nice looking card. And the last one's the, of course, it's the hardest one to get out too. The Zapdos coming at you hard. Alright. And then we'll look at the coin here. Which is, some of the legendary dogs. It's a nice looking coin. I know some people collect those. Let's get this garbage off of here. And then we'll get to one of these packs here. These look a little different, don't they? They feel different. Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to see if I have that pack. I do. These do look different. Look how different these look. So, I want to point out some differences here. This background on this is fully holographic. Like, look. This is not. And you can tell if you look to the left of the horse, you see that area right there? There's no holographic with that. But this, there is. This is about the same. The only thing that's different is that picture Look. You see how this is holographic? This is not. I wonder why. Anyways, just a little observation because I thought it was interesting. Let's see what's in this. Open nice and easy. I like that. Let's see if this is just garbage or not. So far, seems kind of stuff. That's a new card I have not gotten yet. Oh, spoiled the reverse holo. It's a Haunter. I'm okay with that. My rare is a holographic Greedent, which I'm okay with that. I like holographics here. Spiral Energy. Drinking some water. Alright. So that's the first pack from this. Hope you liked this. I'll open the other one later. Anyways, talk to you later, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.